Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday. This is Abby at Homegrown Home Sewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're going to start off with the National Parks panel. It is a beast of a panel because you know what? You don't have to do anything to it. You can just quilt it. It'd be great, right? So it is a 2-yard panel that's wide as well. So keep that in mind when you see the price. All right, then I'll show you our blocks of the month. If you want to be part of our block of the month club, click the link. And you can sign up for the white background or the gray, or if you're really crazy, both of them. It'll be great. All right, let's go to Primitive Room. We have some 30s fabric from Henry Glass. We have 6 from this line. It's Nana May 4. Here are all 6 of them. So these are our nice 30s prints. We throw our 30s in our Primitive Room because we just have a little shelf of them, but we like those as an addition. Then we're gonna move to, we have some Dear Stella. It's called Moonscape. It's a great blender. We really like it, so we bought, you know, as many as we could. Lots of variety in color. Some of them have the white dots. Some have like the colored dots there, so you can see all these. I think there's like 20-ish bolts of it right now, so that's great. I actually think you could use those blenders in our new dinosaur pattern by Elizabeth Hartman. I think that that would be really cool. This comes with this size, a 69 by 85 inch pattern, as well as the small, which is a 48 by 48. So then we have our Hibernate Quilt Kit. If you're interested in this, this is really sweet. The pattern, of course, comes with it. So those kits are ready, and there's a limited quantity of those if you're interested in that. Let's see, we also have a little pattern here for you on the square. It uses either fat eighths or fat quarters. Nice $2 edition, just add it on. And then probably my favorite thing this video is the tumblers. Look at this. This is how we roll. I'd rather be quilting. Drink, quilt, repeat. Party like a block star. That might be my favorite. Quilting is sexy. Yeah, it is. Wound tight, eat, sleep, sew, quilting queen, and quilting is my cardio. So if you like any of those. All right, then we have a pattern by Lella Boutique. I love this. It uses her new line, which we're getting the entire thing of. It's called Sun Shower. I can't say enough good things about this line. I love this line. I, in fact, bought myself a fat quarter bundle of it. And then moving on to Conservatory. This is a Riley Blake line. We just loved the variety of this line. We got all except a couple of bolts. We have some fat quarter bundles of it. It just is really versatile. You have the flowers, you have the geometrics, you have the color. It's just really gorgeous. We really like it. So it got, you know, front and center in the shop. And then our last thing, Christmas. We're gonna go see some gnomes. Who doesn't like a gnome, right? So this is another Henry Glass. It's called, I want to get it right, it's Timber Gnomies. So we have the beavers and the snowmen and of course the plaid, and then you have a gnome riding a bear, right? I mean, how can you say no to that? It's so cute. I think it's so cute. Anyways, that's what we have for you this week. We will be live. Caleb and I will be live this Sunday, June 28th at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We'll have 3, 4, and 5 yard bundles, fat quarter bundles, maybe some of the tumblers, all sorts of fun stuff. So check us out on the Facebook Live on Sunday. Until then, happy quilting. Bye.